look out for Nalco there. The company is planning to foray into the power segment and is looking at investing close to $2 billion for setting up thermal and nuclear power plants over the next 5 years. Now, this move essentially comes on the back of the fact that the company's profitability and revenues from the aluminum business have come down significantly, and now they are looking at other avenues of growth at this point of time. If you look at the counter there, it's just given a return of 4% in the last 1 month, so no significant movement has come in on this one. Also look out for ONGC, and they have signed a pact with Cairn India for developing the North Tapti gas fields. Remember, the company has started production in these fields from the last 1 month, and they own close to 15% stake in those fields. They have invested close to 580 crores for the development of these fields. This is a satellite field, and this essentially indicates that ONGC is making all efforts to ramp up its falling output there, and that could be a positive for the counter. If you look at the stock there, it's gained close to 9% in the last 1 month. Also look out for Cairn India and HPCL. Media reports are indicating that Vedanta Group is now interested in buying a small stake in the Strait in one of the Indian PSU OMCs. Remember, HPCL and ONGC together are setting up a refinery in Rajasthan, and Vedanta has expressed its interest to buy a part of that stake there. So this could be an interesting development. Cairn India might actually become the vehicle for that stake buy, so keep an eye on that one.
Megha, thanks for that. Let's go to Yatin to check in on small and mid-cap stocks. Good morning, Yatin.
Good morning, Nikunj. Well, the first stock to watch out for would be Onmobile Global, and expect the stock to react negatively to the this bit of news that its MD and CEO Arvind Rao has quit the company after the board meeting yesterday. Now, do remember, ET Now had broke the story first on this very channel that the CEO, and there have been a lot of financial irregularities done on the CEO's part. And that is why, there was auditor and KPMG which were appointed to find out the financial irregularities, and the board considered the same yesterday, post which the CEO and MD Arvind Rao has quit the company. For the time being, the interim CEO has been appointed. Mauli Ramanan, who is the co-founder of the company, has been the interim CEO, and the board has initiated steps to rectify all the irregularities in the financial statements as well as all the weaknesses. And they also will and are looking to appoint a new CEO on the board very shortly. So clearly a big significant corporate development coming in for Onmobile Global, and ET Now was the first one to report it. If you see the stock performance, clearly 14% down for that stock in a 1 month's time, hit a 52-week low last week. So clearly it's in a bear trend right now. Also, we have Future Capital, which continues to be news, but this time it's some bit of bad news. FIBP defers the clearance for Future Capital stake sale, which has been initiated by Pantaloons Retail to Warburg Pincus. Now, FIBP, which is the Foreign Investment Promotion Board, has issued a notice which states that the company has to rectify its issue regarding the future real estate arm, which has certain restrictions as far as the FDI is concerned. The first, the company has to hive off its real estate arm in order to attract FDI via the Warburg Pincus route. So clearly, unless and until this demerger does not happen, they will not get a go-ahead as far as the Warburg Pincus deal is concerned.